I know you're probably thinking, what the heck am I going to do with all these paper towel, toilet paper, and gift wrap rolls? But let's face it, I'm going to paint them green and create Emerald City from The Wizard of Oz. Duh. If you'd like to see how I turned that into this, then just keep watching. How else do you have a Judy Garland inspired night? By listening to Judy records, watching The Wizard of Oz, playing a trivia game, and of course, building Emerald City in the best way that you know how, with a DIY. Oh, and by the way, hey, I'm Caitlin. I post 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday. You're sure to see some DIYs, home decor, and lifestyle content. So if that's something you're into, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I went ahead and painted all of these with a mixture of different green paints. I can link them down below. I just knew that I didn't want it to be like a flat emerald shade. I really wanted it to be a rich and luxurious and multi-dimensional color. So I figured the best way to achieve that was to mix multiple different paints. That way I get the shimmer, I get the emerald, I get just all the little hints of green. And honestly, I'm super happy with it. I also have these wooden dowels from the hardware store, and I just cut them to different sizes. Actually, the hardware guy did it for me, and that was super helpful. This is the top of a box from Michaels, and I have this glitter sticker paper from Dollar Tree. I will be lining the lid with it, and this will act as the base of my project. I absolutely love this glitter paper. They have it in a variety of colors, and it comes in handy for so many different projects. I actually used it in my mermaid DIY video as well, so be sure to check that out. Now that we've got the base all set and ready to go, I will start assembling the pieces to create Emerald City. I'm just using hot glue to help them adhere to one another and stand up straight. I also have these pink things from the Dollar Tree. They help protect your fingers from getting burned by the hot glue, so they come in handy every now and again. The great thing about building Emerald City was that I can really get creative and place the pieces however I want. It didn't need to be perfect, and I don't know, I just had a lot of fun with this. After I was done displaying all the pieces, I went ahead and painted another coat of green and added some sparkles just to enhance it a little more. I did that off camera, so you won't be able to see it, but you'll see the end result. Now for this part, I'm actually using this yellow folder from the Dollar Tree with an array of different colored pencils and markers, and I think I even used crayons and highlighters. I got super creative here and just drew out my own yellow brick road. This probably was not the smartest way to do it. I could have just printed out a yellow brick road, but I don't know, this is the way I decided to do it. And I wanted it to be imperfect. I really wanted it to appear more like a yellow cobblestone because, I don't know, I felt like that was more character, it being imperfect. I don't know, that's the way I think. But yeah, it was fun to make. But yeah, you could totally just print out a yellow brick road. It would probably be a lot easier. You know I love to protect my furniture, so I used some cardboard and a green folder from the Dollar Tree. I placed everything down as well as this greenery foam to create the garden leading up to Emerald City. I really wanted to recreate the poppy fields, so I did the best that I could with the Dollar Tree flowers that I had on hand, some of which are clearly not poppies, but I did the best I could and I liked the way it came out. I tried to stick to the color scheme as best as I could, with inspiration from pictures online of Emerald City and Wizard of Oz. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out and means a lot to me. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. I hope to see you next time. Have a good day.